This is Blue getting excited to go for a run. Hey, Blue. Oh, okay. Oh, where are you guys? Are you going for a run? This is Chaz getting choked on a protein bar. Come here, Blue. Come here. Come over here, Blue. Hey, Blue. Are you ready to go for a run? Huh? Are you? Are you not going to leave his side? You're not going to leave his side, are you? You're scared he'll go without you. Is that right? There you go. Follow your dad. You're scared he'll leave without you. Hey, Blue. Blue, you can go for a run? Huh? You can go for a run? Are you? Are you? All right. You go for a run? Huh? Are you excited? Are you excited? Oh, you excited? Oh, yeah, you're going to go for a run. Yes. You excited? Oh, there's your leash.
Oh, watch this.
Oh, wait, there's more. What?
Here's all I had to do.
What?
Go to the bathroom.
Oh, yeah, this is funny. And then, Daddy goes to the bathroom, and Blue will lose his mind. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Where's Dad? Where is he? Where is he? Oh, yeah. Oh, he'll just go in the bathroom. It's okay. It's okay. Shh. Good boy. Okay. Okay. Shh. Okay. 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 Come here. Come here. Good. Okay. Okay.